while a new COVID strain forces Britain to push back the easing of lockdown. France has dropped in cases better than expected, hence we've had an early lifting of mandatory face masks in public. Part of it's about a vaccination campaign that is running ahead of schedule here, but it's showing signs of tapering. So what do? Well, the Netherlands taking citizens by the heartstrings by offering new season Dutch pickled herring. The U.S. state of Maine gives out fishing and hunting licenses if you get a jab. Indonesia going one better. A new door-to-door vaccination drive in the Sipanas district of West Java, offering, you guessed it, a chicken, one jab. While in the Mae Cham district of Thailand's northern Chiang Mai province, 65-year-old Inkam Tongkam became one of the weekly winners of the lucky draw, offering a beauty of a 1-year-old female cow.
I feel very grateful and very happy to win one of the cows. And it's a big one. I will raise it and let it breed more cattle.
Borzu Dargahi, what is your religion when it comes to incentives to get vaccinated?
I think it's an awesome idea. You didn't mention, I thought you would, Washington State's offer of a free marijuana
I was leaving that
joint
for you.
If you, I just think that, I think it's great. And you've got these programs in certain British municipalities where they offer beers and so on. I think it's fantastic. And I think it also bolsters, in some way, all those stories you tell, they bolster a sense of community in getting us out of this very dark period. I'm very pro-bribery in terms of getting people to get their vaccination.
Well, we've had healthcare professionals, Lila Jacinto, who don't feel that way, who say, wait a minute, this is a responsibility we have to get vaccinated against things like polio and hepatitis and now COVID.
Oh, they should
Well, those are healthcare experts, and they should keep their expertise to epidemiology and public health. I want a camembert or a bottle of wine, some good Burgundy for my jab.
Cow.
Cow, there you go. No, I just wonder what's wrong with people. I mean, in Europe, in the United States, we have other means of convincing people they should get a jab. For example, you don't go to a concert, or you're not allowed into a restaurant, or whatever. We have this passport.
So let me ask you, the French health minister is considering measures against those who work in retirement homes because public health workers, 85% of them are vaccinated. Don't know why not the other 15 yet, but anyway. In the retirement homes, like 55%. He's wondering if he should make it mandatory. Your thoughts on that?
Well, I think that you are putting people in danger. You're putting their lives in danger if they're elderly and susceptible to complications with this disease. If you are not vaccinated, you shouldn't be around them. I think there are measures to be taken. There are obligatory vaccines, as you just said. And this should be one of them if you want to be in public with people.
Dave Clark, you've got to get yourself posted back to Paris because there is a cafe near Montmartre it's a bar called Le Fondamental. If you show your vaccination certificate, they will give you a free beer. What do you think of that?
French beer?
Well, I think that's great, but I live in Brussels where I have my vaccination certificate and I have Belgian beer. So for me, the big bonus of having my vaccination certificate is that someday soon, I'll be able to get on the train to Paris and we can do this in person. And I'll give you the bees on both cheeks because that's when we'll be through this.